Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video would suggest, we are discussing Cambodian immigration, and I'm making this video mostly to provide some insight to folks who are here in Thailand who are currently staying in Thailand under this visa amnesty scheme that we're dealing with. And we're here at the end of June as of the time of this video, and we're looking ahead to July 31 when this amnesty will end. And we're looking at folks who may need to leave the kingdom in order to sort of regularize their status through use of a so-called border run or a visa run to either an embassy outside of Thailand. So for example, in this case, a Royal Thai Embassy in Phnom Penh, Cambodia, and then return to Thailand, or just a border run to go over the border. But I recently, from a client, received some information. He primarily resides in Cambodia, but he occasionally does some things over here in Thailand, so we've been in contact for some time. And he sent me this message with respect to folks who are going into Cambodia. And he said, several reports, and by reports he means from friends of his over in Cambodia, several reports of Korean airlines denying foreigners due to paperwork not being in order. Also, several reports of foreigners being denied entry upon arrival in Cambodia for their documents not being in order. The medical certificate appears to be the main issue. A few points on the medical certificate from travelers' experiences. 1, must be written in English, as they have stated they will not accept any other language. 2, must clearly state tested negative. That is important. He made a point of that to emphasize that. 3, be clearly stamped by both a doctor and a clinic with a telephone number that they can dial in case of any concerns. 4, must be on official letterhead. And 5, literally anything else that can be done to make it official, the better. So seals, etc. That seems to provide some extra credibility, I guess you could say. Furthermore, or quoting further, the 72 hours is a big issue. All of the official Cambodian government directives state within 72 hours of date of travel, in quotes. Korean airlines are enforcing a 72 hours within time of arrival policy. IATA website today updated their guidelines to at most 72 hours before arrival, in quotes. So that appears to be some of the issues associated with getting into Cambodia. Cambodia is increasingly looking to me like it's going to be the sort of, if you will, receiving country for folks, or the most logical or the most optimal receiving country for folks leaving Thailand in order to sort of do a border run or visa run to maintain their status or to regularize their status when coming back, or for coming back here to Thailand, because they seem to be taking the most proactive and clearly delineated steps to provide folks with an ability to come into Cambodia. And we've done other videos on this channel, but most notably, Cambodia has made arrangements already to start allowing folks to come in, and this is more unfettered than we're seeing, for example, here in Thailand or Malaysia. The other thing to understand is we're also seeing a situation evolving where these so-called travel bubble discussions are going on, and Cambodia has been mentioned in, I believe, every article or piece of information I've read about Thailand's discussions regarding travel bubbles. Cambodia always seems to be on that list regarding the possible countries where a travel bubble may be created. So, and there are various other jurisdictions. They specifically mentioned places like Vietnam and Australia as well as Japan. But as far as a feasible border run receiving state or a visa run receiving state, I think Cambodia may turn out to be the most viable option, at least as of the end of July 2020.